Hi, my name's Stephanie, and I'm a dual degree student at Widener. I'm currently getting my Master of Social Work as well as my PhD in Sexuality Studies. A little bit about me. I live in New York. I work as a consultant and a senior account executive at a medical communications slash pharma firm, I guess. I have a background in sexuality and health. I actually have a master's of public health in that field, so that's part of why I'm seeking my doctorate in clinical sexology slash sex therapy. One of the things that I've enjoyed about our classes in the past, I guess, is the learning that happens when I interact with and work with other students, especially students in the field. I find that I learn the most from people who are actually hands-on and working in some type of clinical setting. Just learning about their experiences and some of their insight, especially when it comes to some of the topics that we're discussing in class. And also, I really like it when the things that we're talking about actually apply to my everyday life, and as well as my future career that I'm hoping to have in clinical sexology. Less, I guess, what we would call busy work, and more projects and tasks that are actually applicable to what we plan to be doing after we're finished with this program. So I can't wait to meet all of you. Hope to hear from you soon. And all right, that's it.